Once I loved the bonny lass, and I love her still. And whilst that virtue warms my breast, I love my Handsome Nell. As bonny lasses I hae seen, and money full as braw, but for a modest, graceful mien, the like I never saw. A bonny lass, I will confess, is pleasant to thee, but without some better qualities, she's no the lass for me. But Nelly's looks are blithe and sweet, and what is best of all, her reputation is complete and fair without a flaw. She dresses icy clean and neat, both decent and genteel, and then there's something in her gait gars ony dress look wheel. A gaudy dress and gentle air may slightly touch the heart, but its innocence and modesty that polishes the dart. 'Tis this Nelly pleases me, 'tis this enchants my soul, for absolutely in my breast she reigns without control.